What does your father do? ستا پلار څه کار کوي؟ What does your father do? What time is it? څه وخت دی؟ What time is it? When are they coming? دوی کله راځي؟ When are they coming? Where do you want to go? ته چېرته تلل غواړې؟ Where do you want to go? Where would you like to go? ته به چېرته تلل خوښوې؟ Where would you like to go? Where will I post this letter? زه به دا خط کوم ځای پوسټ کوم؟ Where will I post this letter? They haven't met her yet. هغوی د اوسه پورې هغه سره نه دي میلاو شوي. They haven't met her yet. They haven't met the girl yet. هغوی د اوسه پورې جینۍ سره نه دي میلاو شوي. They haven't met the girl yet. I like it very much. زما دا ډېر خوښ دی. I like it very much. What are you doing? ته څه کوې؟ What are you doing? What does this say? دا څه وایي؟ What does this say? What does it mean? د دې څه مطلب دی؟ What does it mean? What would you like to eat? ته به څه خوړل خوښوې؟ What would you like to eat? What do you want to eat? ته څه خوړل غواړې؟ What do you want to eat? When are you leaving? ته کله ځې؟ When are you leaving? When will you go? ته به کله ځې؟ When will you go? When can I buy medicine? زه دوايي کله اخیستی شم؟ When can I buy medicine? Where did you go? ته چېرته لاړې؟ Where did you go? Where is the mailbox? mailbox کوم ځای دی؟ Where is the mailbox? Anything else? نور څه؟ Anything else? At 4 o'clock in the afternoon. په مازدیګر کې 4 بجې. At 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Can I use your phone? آیا زه ستا فون استعمالولی شم؟ Can I use your phone? Did you come with your family? آیا ته د خپل خاندان سره راغلی یې؟ Did you come with your family? Do you know where my key is? آیا تا ته پته ده چې زما چابي کوم ځای ده؟ Do you know where my key is? Do you want to go with me? آیا ته ما سره تلل غواړې؟ Do you want to go with me? It's a good idea. دا یو ښه خیال دی. It's a good idea. He studies in Barja University. هغه برجا یونیورسټي کې سبق وایي. He studies in Barja University. How do I get to Karachi? زه کراچۍ ته څنګه لاړ شم؟ How do I get to Karachi? Or how do I go to Karachi? زه کراچۍ ته څنګه لاړ شم؟ How do I go to Karachi? How many languages do you speak? ته څومره ژبې وایې؟ How many languages do you speak? Hurry up, زر کوه یا تادی کوه. Hurry up. I don't want that. زه دا نه غواړم. I don't want that. I made this cake. ما دا کیک جوړ کړی دی. I made this cake. I trust you. زما پتا باور دی. I trust you. I would like to eat at a restaurant. زه په یو رستوران کې خوراک خوښوم. I would like to eat at a restaurant. I will pay. پیسې به زه ورکوم. I will pay. I am very busy. زه ډیر مصروفه یم. I am very busy. Is there a store near here? آیا دلته نږدې څه دکان شته؟ Is there a store near here? It's 7:45. پاو کم 8 بجې دي. It's 7:45. I have arrived here in the morning. زه دلته سحر راغلی یم. I have arrived here in the morning. My phone doesn't work. زما فون کار نه کوي. My phone doesn't work. It's not too long ago. دا ډیره مخکینی خبره نه ده. It's not too long ago. Speak a little slower. لږ په قلاره وایه. Speak a little slower. Sorry, we don't have. افسوس زمونږ سره نشته. Sorry, we don't have. This is a good college. دا یو ښه کالج دی. This is a good college. The books are expensive. کتابونه ګران دي. The books are expensive. This house is very big. دا کور ډیر غټ دی. This house is very big. What color is this car? د دې ګاډي رنگ څنګ دی یا د دې موټر رنگ څنګ دی. What color is this car? What is the date today? نن څه تاریخ دی. What is the date today? What's the matter? څه معامله ده. What's the matter? When does your work end? ستا کار کله ختمیږي. When does your work end? Where do you work? ته کوم ځای کار کوي. Where do you work? Which one do you want? ته کوم یو غواړې. Which one do you want? Give me a ticket. مالا ټیکټ را. Give me a ticket. Are you ready? آیا ته تیار یې. Are you ready? Can you give me a glass of water? آیا ته مالا یو ګیلاس اوبه راکولی شي. Can you give me a glass of water? Do you know swimming? آیا تا له لامبه درځي. Do you know swimming? Do you have any money? آیا تا سره څه پیسې شته. Do you have any money? Do you hear that? آیا ته دا اورې. Do you hear that? Do you think it will rain today? آیا تا ته ښکاري چې نن به باران وشي. Do you think it will rain today? Forget it. دا هیر کا. Forget it. He doesn't look like a doctor. هغه د ډاکټر په شان نه ښکاري. He doesn't look like a doctor. He has not come yet. هغه د اوسه پورې را نغی. He has not come yet. His family is coming tomorrow. د هغه خاندان سبا راځي. His family is coming tomorrow. How long have you been here? ته د کوم وخت راسی دلته یې؟ How long have you been here? How much do you want to take? ته څومره اغستل غواړې؟ How much do you want to take? I don't like it. زما دا نه دی خوښ. I don't like it. I have two brothers. زما دوه وروڼه دي. I have two brothers. I like her. زه هغه خوښوم. I like her. I think I need to go to the doctor. ما تخکاری چې مالا ډاکټر ته د تلو ضرورت دی. I think I need to go to the doctor. I would like a single room. زما یو کمره پکار ده. I would like a single room. I'm feeling cold. زما یخنی کیږي. I'm feeling cold. I'm getting ready to go out. زه بهر ته تلو د پاره تیاریږم. I'm getting ready to go out. I'm ready. زه تیار یم. I'm ready. Is Ali there please? آیا علی دغلته شته؟ Is Ali there please? It has rained heavily today. نن ډیر باران شوی دی. It has rained heavily today. It's all right. سمه ده. It's all right. It may rain tomorrow. کیدای شي چې سبا باران وشي. It may rain tomorrow. May I speak to John please? آیا زه د جان سره خبرې کوی شم؟ May I speak to John please? No problem. هیڅ مسله نه ده. No problem. Over there. هغلته. Over there. He is going with me tomorrow. هغه سبا ما سره ځي. He is going with me tomorrow. Someone is coming. څوک را روان دی. Someone is coming. This phone is similar to my phone. دا فون زما د فون پشان دی. This phone is similar to my phone. This phone is just like my phone. دا فون بیخی زما د فون پشان دی. This phone is just like my phone. The big one or the small one? غټ یا کچ. The big one or the small one? They take 100 rupees per day. هغوی روزانه 100 روپۍ اخلي. They take 100 rupees per day. I have 2 sons and 1 daughter. زما 2 زامن او یو لور ده. I have 2 sons and 1 daughter. Were you at the library last night? آیا ته پرون شپه په لایبرری کې وی؟ Were you at the library last night? What does this mean? د دې څه مطلب دی؟ What does this mean? What would you like to drink? ته به څه څښل خوښئ؟ What would you like to drink? When will you pick up them? ته به دا کله اوچتئ؟ When will you pick up them? Where are you? ته کوم ځای یې؟ Where are you? Where did it happen? دا کوم ځای وشو؟ Where did it happen? Where is the nearest ATM? د ټولو نږدې ATM کوم ځای دی؟ Where is the nearest ATM? Or where is the closest ATM? د ټولو نږدې ATM کوم ځای دی؟ Where is the closest ATM? Are you hungry? آیا ته وږی؟ Are you hungry? Can I access the internet here? آیا زه دلته انټرنیټ ته رسایي حاصلولی شم؟ Can I access the internet here? Would you repeat that please? آیا ته به دا بیا دوهراو کې؟ Would you repeat that please? Would you please tell me again? آیا ته به دا ماته دوباره ووایې؟ Would you please tell me again? Do you have more? آیا تا سره نور شته؟ Do you have more? Do you have enough money? آیا تا سره ډېرې پیسې دي؟ Do you have enough money? Do you speak English? آیا ته انګلیش ویلی شي؟ Do you speak English? Please give me the pen. ما له پین را. Please give me the pen. Have you seen this movie? آیا تا دا فلم کتلی دی؟ Have you seen this movie? He is faster than me. هغه ما نه تیز دی. He is faster than me. He is very famous. هغه ډیر مشهور دی. He is very famous. How long does it take to get to Peshawar? پېښور رسیدو ته څومره وخت لګي؟ How long does it take to get to Peshawar? How much money do you have? تا سره څومره پیسې دي؟ How much money do you have? I don't know how to use it. مالا د دې د استعمالولو چل نه راځي. I don't know how to use it. He has 3 children, 2 girls and 1 boy. د هغه 3 واړه دي، 2 جینکۍ او 1 هلک. He has 3 children, 2 girls and 1 boy. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو دپاره دا چینل سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به دې په وخت خبریږئ. Thanks for watching.